In wastewater treatment facilities, safety and efficiency are vital. Harmful gases like hydrogen sulfide, methane, and carbon dioxide, along with low oxygen levels, can pose serious risks to employees. PureAire advanced gas monitoring solutions are designed to detect and alert you to dangerous gas levels in real time. Continuous oxygen monitoring is critical in confined spaces like aeration tanks, digestors, or underground chambers. Hydrogen sulfide and methane is toxic even at low concentrations, with an added concern of flammable gases which are produced during the breakdown of organic matter. PureAire monitors provide precise 24/7 monitoring and instant alarms, protecting workers from exposure. Anaerobic digestion relies on anaerobic microorganisms, bacteria and archaea, that thrive in environments without oxygen. These microorganisms break down organic material to produce biogas, which is primarily composed of methane and carbon dioxide. The presence of oxygen disrupts these microbial processes and can inhibit methane production. With support for Modbus, 4 to 20 milliamps and RS-485, you can connect our monitors to control systems or PureAire Cloud Connect. Our advanced connectivity options remotely monitor gas levels, receive instant alerts, or alert locally. PureAire monitoring systems, safeguarding your wastewater facility with state-of-the-art gas detection and reliable communication solutions.